Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make an easy and quick lemon mousse dessert. Start with the essentials for a delightful lemon mousse. We'll use the zest and juice of about 2 to 3 fresh lemons, 1 1/2 cups of heavy cream, and 1/2 cup of granulated sugar. Don't forget 1 teaspoon of unflavored gelatin dissolved in 2 tablespoons of cold water, plus a tiny pinch of salt to enhance the flavors. Having everything ready makes the process smooth and enjoyable. Now let's create the zesty heart of our mousse. First, finely zest 2 to 3 lemons, being careful to avoid the bitter white pith. Then squeeze out about 1/3 cup of fresh lemon juice. Combine this vibrant juice and zest with 1/4 cup of granulated sugar in a small saucepan. Heat this mixture gently over low heat, stirring constantly until the sugar completely dissolves, creating a fragrant base. Next, we'll prepare the creamy texture. In a separate, chilled bowl, whip 1 1/2 cups of heavy cream with the remaining 1/4 cup of sugar until soft peaks form. Once your lemon mixture has cooled to room temperature, gently fold it into the whipped cream in 2 additions. Finally, stir in the dissolved and slightly warmed gelatin, ensuring it's fully incorporated for a perfectly set mousse. Almost there. Carefully spoon your delightful lemon mousse into individual serving glasses or a single elegant bowl. Cover each dish loosely with plastic wrap to prevent a skin from forming. Transfer them to the refrigerator and chill for a minimum of 4 hours, or ideally overnight, until the mousse is beautifully set and firm. Before serving, add a final touch with fresh raspberries or a sprinkle of lemon zest.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.